Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos, unboxing, journaling, and everything related. I am very excited for today's video. As you can tell from the title, I am collaborating with Hubman and Chubgirl. They reached out to me, wanted to send me some goodies, and I'm very excited to share with you everything that I have. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so let's take a moment for the box. How stinking cute is this? Oh my goodness, I love it. If you know, you know. I just want to use everything for my junk journal. So I'm gonna start with the card. I already read it. It is so adorable. That's their little family. How cute. I don't know, but I love cards. I feel like there's something really personal when people give you cards. My family knows this. I love it whenever I receive a card for Mother's Day, for any occasion. I love them and I keep them in my junk journal. So I'm really excited. All right, so let's start with the washi tape. I have a ton of goodies here, y'all. I already took off the paper and everything for the sake of the video because I didn't want it to make it so long. So let's go ahead and just start with the washi. All right, so the washis have names. Let me show you the first one. I really love the background. It's nude and it has like some pattern and coffee beans that are in gold foil. And this one is called Coffee Beans. How freaking stunning. I love it. I'm a coffee girl through and through. So when I saw this, I'm like, I need to have that. The next one we have is this one. It has let me kind of zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, so it has the little coffee cups, espresso, it's a go cup, the iced coffee, and this one is called Coffee Lover. How accurate. I love coffee. If you know, you know. I need to mention something. This one has silver foil and I'm a silver girl, so I love it. All right, the next one is Love You a Latte, and this one is green. How cute. It's kind of like the other one with the little faces, but in green. Loving the green pattern, y'all. Super cute. And last but not least is this one. This one is called, it's Coffee Time. It's Coffee Time. And it's super cute, and I love the background, y'all. Super cute. I love it. So these are all the washi tapes. All right, so the next thing that we have, it's a pin. Of course, I had to get the little cappuccino, and I love the little face. I think it's super cute. I'm gonna put it in my little Delphonics, but I think this is so adorable. I had to have a pin like that. All right, so I have a ton of stickers. I'm gonna share with you the first ones here. They came in this cute little it's like a little booklet thing, and I feel like I just want to keep it because it's so stunning. I want to keep it inside my planner. But y'all, these are so cute. And it says happy planning. This is perfect to keep it inside your planner and carry it on the go with you. All right, so let's just get started. All right, I chose these because, come on, they are so cute. I'm gonna say cute a lot because they're just so cute. And if you know me, you know that I love the kawaii looking stickers. I think they're adorable. This one is called Lemonade Time, and as you can tell, it is the perfect color and style for summertime, and summer is just around the corner. And let me tell you, I haven't been so excited for summertime. So it's like little cows and they're so cute, and we have the lemonade stand, the lemonade. It's just super adorable. All right, next we have peachy blossoms, and do I need to say more? Peachy and blossoms. Loving the color, of course. I'm a pink girly, and loving the flowers. Super cute. I love how it says just peachy. Love it. Super adorable. Next, I chose this one, and it's called Rainy Day Bunnies, and I am in love with this little bunny. I feel like it's so cute, and I love the details in the stickers, how the bunny is like jumping on muddy puddles, and look at the umbrella. This is so cute. I love it. I love rainy days and I love the rain, so I figure it would be so cute to document whenever it rains. Adorable. Next, I chose this cute little panda one, and it says ice cream, ice cream. I love ice cream, This will also be a really gorgeous color for summertime, but also like the type of stickers because they have ice creams. And it's a cute little panda. Look at her, so cute. I love it. All right, last but not least, with this little booklet, I chose the party favorites. Both my boys have birthdays in May, so I'm gonna document their birthday with this cute little penguin, and it has two shades of blue. One is like a aqua blue, the other one is like a different shade of blue, like that perfect blue. And I thought it was so cute, so fun. I can't wait to use them. Okay, so let me just move this one aside and show you what I have next. I love die cuts. I just love having die cuts and using die cuts. And lately I've been using them up, actually, because I used to buy them just to hoard them, but this year we're not doing that. I've been trying my best to use my stuff. All right, so let me zoom you guys in. We have this one with the little bees, and it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. Perfect for a little picnic. We have the little bunny again, and he has like a little pink overall and a bee in his head. Super cute. Next we have a birdhouse with like the little floral tree and a bee. We have the bunny again coming out of the little picnic basket, and we have the bunny with a different overall color. Super cute. Those are the die cuts, and next we have this envelope, and let me tell you, I try my best not to break it apart because I want to put it in my planner or something. I don't know, it's just so cute. So I have a ton more stickers here, and yeah, I don't know what to show you. Okay, let me show you these first. These are all like part of a these are all part of a whole kit. So I think it's called Hello Spring. Okay, this one is called Hello Spring, and it has my favorite color and all the spring things. You have the little banner that says Happy Spring, have the little well, I think this is cherry blossoms. Super cute. It's spring. I mean, just this one you could use for a whole spread. I mean, you have so much. Like, I have so much. So this one's the first one. Then we have this one again with the bunny, but this one I love because I love seeing the sun with a little face. Y'all, that is so cute. Look at that. And look at the little rainbow with the little faces. I love the detail. Love the little cherry blossoms on the sun. Oh my gosh. And look at it on the rainbow. Super cute. Oh Lord, I love these. Okay, next we have these, and these are called Bees and Blossoms. Wait, I forgot to tell you, these are called Happy Blossoms, and these are called Bees and Blossoms. So we have the little cherry blossom and the bees, the little, I don't know if it's a birdhouse or a beehive, I don't know, but it's cute. Love this for gardening. I love. All right, next we have spring bunnies, and of course we have more of the bunnies, and I love that because I'm in love with this cute little bunny. I'm gonna be putting it all over my planner. So cute. All right, and last but not least, we have a couple more, but this is the last like little like kit, and we have these. They're in a white background, and we have the little logo here from Hubman Chubgirl. So we have some like picnic baskets, cherry blossoms, super cute. Next we have some boba tea, we have cupcakes, we have more boba tea. And look, this is what I love, the details. Look at the little flowers on the boba tea. Look at that. That is so cute. I think that's adorable. Okay, let's keep going. We have banners, we have more of the cute little sun. Super cute. We have this one that has the bees, and again, these are great for gardening. Next we have this one. Super cute. We have more bunnies, and the bunny here with the different clothes, and oh my gosh, holding the flowers. All right, so that's pretty much it for the stickers. I do have a coupon code to share with you guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description, but you use Teddy15. That is my coupon code. Now for the second half of the video, I'm gonna use some of these stickers in a plan with me video because I haven't decorated my planner this week and the stickers came at a perfect time. I'm gonna be decorating my planner for this week. As you can tell, all I've done has been putting out the time where when I worked. But I'm very excited because this week May starts and I have May babies. So of course I'm gonna be using these because they're super cute. And I also have some markers because I was undecisive. I wasn't sure if I was gonna use yellow and blue or like whatever, but of course I'm gonna be using it for other spreads. Okay, how have you guys been? I'm just super happy. School, almost over, let me tell you. Oops, school's almost over, so I feel like I'm just all over the place. I am all over the place. There's so much going on, it's a little overwhelming. I'm not gonna lie. Should I put this? I'm gonna put this here or here. I'm gonna put it here because it's still spring, y'all. It's not summer yet. But yeah, I feel like the end of the school year is just so overwhelming. There's so much going on. There's teacher appreciation. There's Mother's Day. My little one is graduating from BPK, like from preschool. Like, let's just have a moment. My 4-year-old is turning 5. Oh my gosh, like I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna put this cute little cherry blossom tree down there. I put the little banner here and I'm putting the little cherry blossoms here. So I can't even like, my child is gonna be 5. Oops, I think this marker, it's a little too pink. All right, no big deal. I'm just gonna cover this up with washi tape. I'm gonna go get the washi in a little bit, but let's just continue. So yeah, I was just ranting about my son turning 5, and I'm gonna have soon a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old, and that is not a 10, 5 and 9, which is insane. How long have you been following me? I really like to know who's been here that long, because it's just interesting. You know, I feel like us planner girls have been growing up together, and it's just so fun. Okay, so I added the bunny down here, and I am adding him up here because this weekend I want to do some gardening, or at least some yard work. So I added a little heart. Y'all, I don't know, hopefully not, but I feel a little something in my throat. I want to add more of these. They are super cute. Y'all, my planning style is just like, I feel like the way I was doing this was working for me really well. And I feel like I want to continue, but I was playing around with different like ways to plan because I don't want to get bored with my planners. I'm gonna go get that washi tape to cover this up, and I'm gonna continue decorating my spread. I feel like it's already getting so, it's already looking so pretty. I'm so excited. All right, so I brought the washi and I brought 2 shades of pink. I'm gonna try them out back here before doing anything. I have a little page here where I put extra washi and like I just try things out. Yeah, this is still too dark, so I'm gonna go for this one. Yep, I'm gonna go for that one. Okay, I'm gonna go for that one. And I also brought these, and I'm gonna go for the light pink. Okay, y'all, I don't care if that's peeking through in the bottom. I might cover it up, who knows, but for this video I'm not covering anything up. It's my planner. Okay, and we're gonna cover the rest of the days, or maybe not, maybe that section, and I'm gonna put some washi here. I'm gonna do that. I love washi. I have to incorporate washi in my spreads more often. Okay, so I'm going to just add, okay, I have something on the first, I have something to say, and something also happened here that I needed to remember. Okay, so I'm just keeping track of that. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have to add a little sun somewhere because y'all, it's so cute. I'm in love with the little sun. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I might add the dates there. I don't know. And let's add some more little blossoms here. And I'm gonna add the rainbow as well. How cute, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna add, okay. I've been loving just like adding tumble markers and doing like nice big letters when there's not a lot going on. That is just so cute. And let's add some flowers here and hearts. Oops. This reminds me of the magnolias. I have a magnolia tree in my backyard, and y'all, they are blooming and they're looking so stunning. This is a time where the magnolias bloom, and I have to share a picture. It's just looking so pretty. And of course, let's add the bees. So cute. Should I add them here? I'm gonna add them here. Y'all, it's gonna be May. If you know, you know. All right, so I feel like I'm gonna do some writing, and I'll be right back. All right, so my pen of choice is this Kakuno and Paila Kakuno. It's so pretty. I've been loving fountain pens. Let me show you how stunning. And I have some gray ink on here. If I remember, I'll put it in the screen, but I'm just gonna fill up some stuff. That is super cute. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned because there's more videos coming up using the rest of the stickers in a journaling video. But here's how they look like. How cute. Remember to go on the comment section for the coupon code. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you really soon for another video. Bye.